In today's modern automotive world, guesswork is over. Every problem has a code, and every code has a solution. At Fasaha Institute of Innovation and Technology, our students don't just look at the vehicles, they communicate with them. They scan the system, analyze the live data, and interpret the fault code, and also trace electrical fault with confidence and precision. This is exactly what we give our students learning automotive electrical engineering. From fault detection to successful repair. We are not just teaching students, we are creating solutions to problems. Join Fasaha Institute today and become professional diagnostic experts.